Alright, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. First of all, I'd like to apologize, it's a little bit echoey. I'm in the workshop right now. It's empty, quiet, and it's hollow. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on your LCI wiper blades. So yeah, let's get started with that. Now you notice I mentioned and I emphasized the word LCI because as you saw in the last video, if you haven't, I'll leave the link down in the corner right here. So yeah, as you can see, I've changed over from pre-LCI wiper arms to LCI so I can run the newer wiper blades, which are much more easily available and cheaper to get. So yeah, these are the wiper blades I'm going to be talking about today. These are the Bosch Aerotwins. They come as a set of 24-inch and 19-inch. The 24-inch fits on your driver's side, right hand side. Yeah, so yeah, it should be driver's side, and the 19-inch is for your passenger side. It'll work the same even if you have a left and right vehicle. Now, if you're curious about this specific brand, it's Bosch, so you know it's going to be a very reputable brand. As well as I'm going to leave the link in the description down below so you can check it out. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to show you guys what these wiper blades look like, how to remove these ones, and how to install the new ones. So let's get started. Okay, starting with removing it out of the packaging, I just put this piece of tape on it so it doesn't open itself out. But yeah, this is how it comes off. It's in this neatly packaged container. So yeah, this is how they come, and you got the two wiper blades itself. You got your 19-inch and you have your 24-inch. Now if you notice, these are different compared to the pre-LCI because it has the pinch type. This is the type of blades that you get on the LCI, so it slots in here and pinches there. So I'm going to show you guys how to put it on right now. So now I've got a little bit extra light over here, so all you're going to do is you're going to pinch this tool, pick it up and pull it out, and you have the old blade which is right here. Same thing for the driver's side. I had to put the flash on so you can see it without being blocked out by the light. So yeah, pinch it in, pull it out and slide it out. As you can see, these are the same types of fittings. However, this is a bit more chunkier and allows a little bit more wiggle room as it goes. You can see it has its brand naming all there. So yeah, this may be a bit of a fiddly work to get it in. So yeah, you can start this way here. You see it just goes into here like so. Twist it down, and just to be on the safe side, pinch the two tabs inwards. So yeah, just like that, and that should be it. You just give it a quick press to make sure it's seated properly, and that's it, done. Same applies for the driver's side. Flash on again so you can see from this angle, in, get it clipped as well as pinched inward. On both ends, give a good press on the inside to make sure it's seated. Blades done. So now with the new blades installed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flick some water again on the windscreen. So you heard it for yourself from outside and the inside. There's no rubbing, it's not jumping or anything. It's absolutely wiping cleaner than anything else, and it's like brand new. Well, it is brand new because they are new wiper blades, but anyway. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it informative. If you want to follow along with this, the links are in the description down below so you can check these wiper blades out for yourself. Like I said, so installation is fairly simple. You've seen it for yourself how easy it is, and this is one of the most overlooked things anyone can do. Like only once it gets really bad, then we generally ever have to replace our wiper blades. But this should be done like almost every major service when it comes time to do it, and these are often things that are overlooked. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did find it informative, give it a thumbs up, like the video, share your comments down below, subscribe if you're new, and let me know what else you'd like to see done to this car. Like, we started off with LCI wiper blades. Of all things in the world, you can start off with LCI wipers. So that can only be an indication of what's more to come. We've done an LCI 335 diffuser. So I guess that's sort of a hint as to where the direction is going with this car. So if you're excited for that, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's hope to see something new. So yeah, thank you so much again once again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.